how do you log out of Codex? So if you want to log out of Codex or change your account, you want to open up the Codex app, and then you want to click on the settings button on the bottom left side. Now you can find logout button here, which you can click on to log out of your current account. You can see the email at the top here on the window. And once you press logout, it should take you to this welcome window on the Codex app, where you can either continue to log in again or use an API key to log in. You can press the first button, and this should basically open up a web browser authentication page where you can sign into a different account if you want to, or you can directly enter your API key and sign in or continue. You can get the API key from the developer portal of the OpenAI. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.